Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and this is
Alex.
And welcome back to The Forge in this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. Let's see how we make a live. So we make this hammer in a live for someone. I can't say who it is yet, but it will be revealed in good time. We had a few problems making a hammer, which is quite exciting. We've got to fix that live. I think people appreciated that. And there was quite a bit of conversation and chat. There was a few of you guys who came along and watched, which was really nice. Thank you for that.
Hopefully there wasn't enough footage. I was kind of going between doing the live stream and doing this video, and so Dan will go through
and thank you for helping. Thank you for helping, Alex.
That's alright, no problem.
He said, so basically Alex turned up and said, I can help you do the live, and you've been sorting all the, you do all the computer nonsense and the OBS
and it's a lot easier with having the chat on that screen, which you'll see.
Oh yeah, you will see in the video there, so there's a chat screen, and then the plan is as well to get the lives a bit better, get a couple of cameras, get some better cameras. It will come in time, it's just going to take me a little while to do. Obviously I'm a blacksmith firstly and foremostly, and I specialise. We've had a long day. I do architectural metal work mostly, and then tool making as well, with the essence forging based. So anyway, I'm going to stop chatting, watch the video, I hope you enjoy it. There'll be some forging in it. See you in a bit. Right, we're at the farm. It's Saturday afternoon. It's just, what's the time? It's nearly 9 o'clock, isn't it? It's 5 minutes to 9 and we're filming a live. Alex is here and he's helping me. I just thought I'd show you some of the setup, and also you'll see me making a bit of a hammer through the video. Alex is going to do a bit more filming. But I just thought I'd like to show you how we get internet to the farm. Now, this little demon of a machine here is a 4G wireless router, 3D wireless router. And basically we have to mount it on the back of the truck to get a good signal just at the corner of the barn, because anywhere else, like we've tried loads of places, also we're restricted by our Ethernet cable, basically. Anyway, that's what we're doing to get the internet into the building. I'll walk around and show you where we are now, and you can see the setup. And it's so manic, like I was hoping to be real set up today. So here's the set, we're all fires lit. I've got our stock, we've got a piece of forklift truck tying here, I've marked out the centre. I'm getting ready to do that. And here's a little webcam that we've got, and I think we can't get much closer than that, can we, with a webcam? And then we've got a monitor screen here set up for chat. And then Alex is here on the, it's OBS, isn't it?
Yeah, OBS, and then the YouTube live screen.
Right, so that's that. And then we've got, I don't think I've ever shown this before, lighting rig. And then I've got to shed loads of lights up there. That's great footage, that is. And another one up there. So basically that's what we're doing. We're going to make a hammer. Give us a wave, Alex, the beautiful Alex over there. We're going to make a hammer. Hopefully you enjoy it. So Alex will do some footage, like I said, as we go through, and we're just going to show the live. 5 minutes. £264, very nice. Yeah, it weighs about that. It's good out. Hello, California! Come on, let's go. handles, aren't they? Though, I think. Right, so this is just roughed out. This isn't perfect by any measure. And I want to show you why I've done this the way I've done it. What you see a lot, the sooner you can get it out, the better. Now, if you're going to do this sort of forged cheek style, it's going to happen. Because you're going to have to, in order to get the right amount of material in the centre of your hammer, to get rid of that problem. I'm going to show you this now, just so you can see what I'm talking about. I hope you can see this, it's not too bright. Oh no, I'm going to leave it a second so I can show you. Did I make a cup of tea? I did. I've drunk it already, I think. Cool. Oh, Penny, I did not mean. We've had a long day, we've been out on the site most of the day and moving stuff around and picking up, building a workshop in my garden for my better half, better 3/4.
So we got 30 people watching at the moment.
Oh nice.
And move down here.
So we moved some ballast earlier and what else did we do? We moved some wood, picked up a cement mixer, we were on site, we were sorting out a problem with a job, and also we went up and finished off a little additional job for a customer, and I need to put a new handle on this hammer. I'll gain, or I won't gain, I'll lose the advantage I'm giving myself. Which won't develop these cheeks. Can you see that they slope in? I think so. Right. Right. Yeah. Okay, it needs a little bit of grinding up and a bit of tidying up, but I'm quite happy with that. It's bleeding hot though still, so I'm going to leave that to cool down. But really happy with that. It looks nice. It's got a bit of uniqueness about it. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing the live this evening. You had a good time?
Yeah, it's been quite relaxing in a way.
Yeah,
it's quite fun to do.
It's nice to unwind and do something.
Yeah.
So the hammer came out quite good. There were some problems along the way. I've got a bit of grinding to do and sort some bits out. But I don't know if this is going out to the customer. I think I'm going to make another one. But there's a £2.5 hammer there, Alex.
Yeah, that's very nice. They might not be here by the morning.
Alex wants a hammer, but we're going to make one, I think, as well at some point, aren't we?
Yeah, possibly have a go at doing it.
Yeah, cool. Anyway, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed making it for you. Have you had fun?
Yeah,
good.
Yeah, it's been fun.
Good. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, remember to ring that bell for notifications. And you might need to go to your settings to change your notifications if you're not getting notifications of these videos because YouTube's changed some things. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Check the comments down below. Let us know what you thought of this video. A little bit different, a little bit vloggy. Hopefully you did enjoy it, and that's everything. So I will leave a link up here to one of the most recent videos. I will leave a link down here to the live that we actually filmed. This is Patreon. Go and check that out. Great way to support the channel. This down here is the subscribe button. Thanks guys. Bye bye.